My first ever sleeper PC. As a reminder, here's what we've got in the system. We've got our 7800X 3D, we've got our 7800 XT GPU, some Asia Horse 120mm Infinity fans, 32 gigs of CL32 6400 RAM, our Asus TUF B850M Wi-Fi motherboard, 750 watt power supply. We've got our ID Cooling SE207XT CPU cooler, and a 1TB Gen 4 SSD, all inside this beautiful case from 2000. These are glued in floppy drive fascia from the original system. We've got the original optical drive in here as well. We added in this nice custom painted mesh panel to fill in that gap, and then a couple of filters and fascia pieces on the bottom, and these new rubber feet to keep it nice and stable.